Here we go, Paul Bow. Streamers, bodies everywhere. Paul Bow, someone's out over there. Big Aaron Nasty, Clay Trasher, but throw it out. Mighty Militia cleaning up there. Keita Murray, Kit Cassidy, throw out. There goes Keita Murray, Shogun Machete, tosses him out. Kit Cassidy over the top, he's out of here. Oh my Lord. There goes Shogun. Paul Bow, there's only 3 men left. Jason Furious, AJ Evers, Steve Shields.
There's a sea of bodies here.
AJ Evers is out. Excuse me, now there's 3 people left. Ace Austin, Steve Shields. Last 2 left. We saw them earlier in the night, Paul Bow.
Shields with a kick and now a European uppercut. Put Ace Austin right down to the canvas here. Working him in the corner here. Another knife edge chop right across the chest.
Paul Bow, this ring cleared out quick and now it's down to just 2. Steve Shields lands on the apron. Big forearm across the mouth. Austin reverses. Shields is out. Jason Furious, he's stuck in there. Austin holds on. The core strength on display.
Oh. Here's your winner. Ace Austin will now have a title shot next month, November 26th.
What an opportunity for this young man, Paul Bow.
Whoever will have that title, Ace Austin now gets a shot. November 26th.